Yes, that's my new smart door lock. In a time where everything is getting smart, so why not your door lock? Well, this is the newly launched Atomberg SL1, the smart door lock. Now I've been using this for over 2 weeks and I have to tell you, the level of convenience is mind-boggling. It's very convenient compared to any regular lock. First, you have to struggle to find the key in your bag or pocket, then find the key in the bunch of keys, and finally wrestle to get that key inside that keyhole. This might seem small in comparison, but now you just have to place your thumb on the handle and voila, you're in less than 2 seconds. But we all know locks are primarily about security than anything else. With the SL1, it comes with 360-degree security. The best part is you can replace this lock with your current door lock, just like I did. Don't worry, I'll show you how it's done further in this video. There are 5 ways to unlock this door with this lock. First is the fingerprint, then a 6-digit PIN, then you can use an NFC card, a mobile app, and even a physical key. Wow, can't ask for more. I'll show you how all of these work, how to set them up, but first I'll take you through an unboxing and also demonstrate the full installation. So without further ado, let's begin the unboxing. So here is the retail packaging of Atomberg's newly launched smart lock, the SL1. Here's the image of the lock, the number of ways it can be unlocked. On the side here, you can see it comes with 2-year warranty, customer care number, QR code for the companion app. On the other side, there's an image of the lock. Now this is a rose gold variant. We have the black variant. On this side, you can see the manufacturing details, the contents of the box, and of course the MRP is 25,000. Now it says the smart lock is made for wooden doors with a thickness of 35 mm to 65 mm. So make sure you measure your door before you order this lock. Alright, let's open it up. So right on the top, we get 4 AA Duracell batteries for the lock, some screws and bolts. This is the lock from outside. This will fix outside the main door. And this section will fit inside. 2 NFC cards, the instruction manual, the measurement cutouts for your carpenter for the exact fitting, and the lock itself. Very well built, super solid and sturdy. So Atomberg will be sending a technician who will install and set up the lock at no extra cost. Service currently is provided in 14 cities, and for those who live in other places, the installation can be done by a local carpenter as well. There is a tutorial video available on the website. The first step was to remove the old lock, cut the section as per the dimensions of the new lock. The technician had all the right tools to make sure it was done perfectly. The whole process took about 1 to 1.5 hours, and it was done really well. So there you go, the lock is installed and ready to use. So first impressions, this is a black unit and looks really well designed. In the inside section, you have the lever which you push down to open the door. If you pull it up, there's a secondary lock with 3 more bolts. It simply unlocks by pulling the lever down. Further below is the manual deadbolt to gain ultimate privacy. Once activated, it can only be unlocked manually from inside. There's no way to open it from the outside. The top section houses 4 AA batteries. There is a small screw that you need to open to access it. They last for about 8 months, and you can see the battery status in the Atomberg app. Also, it will give you alerts when the batteries are low. Just in case the batteries run out and you're outside, there is a micro USB port at the bottom towards the outside section. Plug in your power bank with a micro USB cable and the door will unlock with any 5 methods. Then on the outside section is the Atomberg branding and a backlit numerical keys, which means it's clearly visible even in the dark. The NFC reader also sits behind here, and right in the center is the fingerprint scanner, ideally placed to be used with your thumb. And finally, at the bottom is a shutter that protects the keyhole to unlock manually with the key. Let's talk about the fingerprint unlock. Set up a face unlock or password on the app and follow the process. So you can save over 100 fingerprints using the Atomberg app. Unlocking via fingerprint is super simple. Place your thumb on the reader. Blue light means it's reading, red means incorrect fingerprint, and green means it's unlocked. There is also a chime that lets you know that the door is unlocked. Pull the lever below to open. Then you can set a 6-digit permanent PIN from the app and enter it on the lock to access. By the way, you can also set guest pins where you assign a separate code with start time and end time. Then periodic pins, which are ideal for house helps. You can set a pin along with the start time and end time, and even choose the days. Then you can unlock using 2 provided NFC cards as well. My daughter says it reminds her of hotel key cards. And yeah, it's true. place it in the center and it will unlock instantly. Then there's also remote OTP access. So whenever your smart lock gets in contact with your phone, it automatically generates 10 one-time passwords. So imagine you're not at home and a courier person arrives, you want to give him that access. That's just one time. And once they access it, that password expires and it cannot be used again. By the way, you can also share those passwords via SMS, WhatsApp and email. Very convenient. Talking about security. So the data is completely secure and stays only in India. It comes with 2-year warranty, so you don't have to worry one bit. The Atomberg Home App works really well and is super easy to use. You can even see the last 500 log entries, when the lock was accessed and how it was accessed. So helpful to keep a tab. The Atomberg Smart Lock is a must-have for every home. Go key-free, touch to unlock, faster, safer and convenient. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. If your current door has a secondary door outside, the distance between them should be at least 80 mm to install this lock. You can buy this from the Atomberg website or Amazon.in for $13,499. I'll share the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.